Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Statistical inference problems look intimidating, but you can solve this specific hypothesis test in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Let us begin. Since the population standard deviation is unknown and the sample size is small, we must use a t-test rather than a z-test to evaluate the mean strength. You got this. Calculate the t-statistic by dividing the difference between the sample mean and the null hypothesis mean by the standard error, which is the sample deviation over the square root n. With 9 degrees of freedom and a t-score of 3.04, we look up the area in the right tail to find the p-value for our one-sided hypothesis. Boom, done! Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid using z-scores or two-tail tests. Always use t-distributions and check your degrees of freedom.